Once all pre-commissioning checks are complete on a piece of equipment, we can then move on into commissioning. Commissioning is the on-site verification of equipment. On-site testing will confirm that there was no shipping damage and is similar to the factory acceptance testing that was previously completed, this time with the end devices installed in the field. Commissioning also verifies that there are no problems with any of the field wiring. Mechanical commissioning can be done in stages. First as dry commissioning, where valves and actuators are verified to operate correctly. Then as wet commissioning, where process fluids are added to the systems. Electrical commissioning first includes pre-energization safety. The commissioning team must take precautions to make sure that it is safe to energize all major equipment. Once confirmed, first power is applied to major apparatus and commissioning checklists are completed. I/O to HMI verification is completed, which requires stimulation of the field device and verification that the correct parameters are seen on the HMI. End-to-end communication of all field devices is verified. As part of system commissioning, subsystems are brought online sequentially. Auxiliary subsystems are energized first, followed by major apparatus. Interfaces are verified amongst all the subsystems. As each subsystem is brought online, commissioning checklists are completed. The consultant subject matter expert or client again may choose to witness portions of commissioning. Similar to previous stages, as deficiencies are identified, they are added to the deficiency punch list, categorized, and Type A deficiencies rectified. We now have equipment that has been verified and is ready for process or system startup.
This is one of the topics covered in my 3-day mini course on commissioning and startup. To get started with the full course, please go to commissioningandstartup.com where you can sign up for free. My name is Paul Turner, and I want to help you survive and thrive in your commissioning career.